Are you looking for the first steps to making money as a life coach? Don't worry, I got you covered as I'm going to show you exactly how you, as a life coach, can make money in this video. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how life coaches, what are the first steps that life coaches have when it comes to making money in their life coaching business and practice. What are the things that you need to do? We're going to go over 3 specific things that you need to do. They're the first things that I typically tell my life coaches, my clients, and that we do ourselves to go out there as a life coach and in our life coaching businesses and make money. So make sure to stay tuned to listen to all 3 of those. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, how do you get paid and why do you get paid as a life coach? So we got to remember, right? Like the people who are paying us as life coaches, they're usually paying us because we're helping them with one of 3 things. We're either helping them with health, we're helping them with wealth, or we're helping them with relationships in some sort of manner. And usually what they want and they're coming to get help with us from is because they have a goal or a target in mind that they want to get to, right? And they're currently like here, right? And what we're doing as a life coach is we're playing the gap and we're helping them get from where they're currently at to where they want to get to. And our job as a life coach is to go out there and play that gap, help be that guide in that gap that they don't know how to get to or possibly can get to, but it's going to take a long time. Our job as life coaches is to go out there and help fill that gap, help them get to the goals and the targets they want to get to, but also help them do it a lot faster than if they were doing it on their own. Before I go over this next piece, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so now that we know exactly how life coaches are making money, why they're making money, why they're getting paid, because they're helping people they help get to a goal they want to get to, a target they want to get to in their life with usually one of the 3 major core markets, which is going to specifically be health, wealth, or relationships. Now what we want to make sure that we do is that we create a solution and then an offer, right, that we can then offer those people, right, that need our help. So what we want to do is like we identified that problem, we identified earlier, right, who it is that we want to help. And now that we know, we want to make sure we know the problem that they are having, provide a solution to that problem, and then what we want to make, this is a big deal. A lot of life coaches get this wrong. We want to make sure that we don't just offer a solution, but we offer an offer, right? We want to have an offer that we're offering them, not a solution. We don't want it to be vertical and only have one thing in it. We want it to make sure that it's, we have an offer that basically is built around a solution that's helping tell a story that is basically going to answer the internal and external objections in your prospect's mind, as well as let your prospect know how that solution that you're going to be providing them is going to get delivered to them and how fast they can expect to get the results from it, as well as we want to make sure that we add in a reason to act now, a reason to take action now, right, on that offer. By doing that, this is going to help the people that see our offer, right, make a decision, a buying decision after seeing our offers a lot faster. All right, so now the last piece is obviously you have this offer, right? So now you've done what you needed to do, right? You went out there, you've figured out who it is that you want to serve, you've identified the problem that they have, you've created a solution to that problem, and now you've created an offer around that solution. Now what you need to do is you need to go out there and you need to demonstrate exactly how you can help people by actually helping people. It's one of the biggest mistakes life coaches make is they talk about this massive, awesome thing, right, that they have and they want other people to do as a life coach, but they're not doing it themselves, or they haven't done it themselves, or they've never really helped. What are you doing on a daily basis to demonstrate exactly how you are going to help people by actually helping people? And we tell our clients to put on profitable presentations where they are inviting a group of people, mass people, multiple people, right, to come and watch them demonstrate exactly what it is they do to help people by actually helping people at that presentation, and then simply take the offer that they just created that we talked about and then make that offer at the end of that presentation to make massive sales and make multiple sales from the presentations that they offer. Are you a life coach who's looking to make a lot of money as a life coach in your life coaching practice? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. Now, my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide is a 22-page guide going over our 3-part system that's going to show you how you can make your first or next 100K as a life coach or healer. Make sure to click the button in the description to grab your free copy of that guide. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking on that link in the description and grabbing your free copy of the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide today. We'll see you in the next video.